Hey guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesdays. If you missed a previous episode, check out the link above. But today I am teaching you the very basics, and that is how to check the wear on your tire, check your tire pressure, and how to top up your fluids. Okay, I'm incredibly lucky to say that I grew up on a go-kart track with two older brothers because they taught me the basics that you need to know, and really what I'm about to teach you today, everybody should know if you own or operate a car. For me, I'm getting ready to make the transition from my winter tires to my summers. So when I head into the dealership or to your local auto shop, you might be asked if you want to change your tires, your rubbers. For me, I typically change them about 4 years, every 4 years, and I rotate them at every oil change. I'm also checking my tire pressure once per month. A lot of factors vary into this, is basically how much you're actually driving. That's going to determine how often you are changing your tire. But why I'm telling you that is it might be suggested to you to actually change your tires, right? And you want to know if you actually have some more tire life left. And this is how you're going to learn. Now, I learned this old school penny trick from my brother Enzo. I'm going to teach it to you guys, but instead of using a penny, I'm going to use a quarter due to inflation. So basically you have your quarter here and you turn it upside down and you put it in between your grooves, okay? So if the quarter, goes all the way down and I'm still able to see over the woman's head, that means my tires are good. But if I do it again and the quarter barely makes it past the grooves and reaches the woman's head, that means I have to change my tires. Now, I'm saying this is an old school trick. These days, it's more than likely your tires have a tire wear indicator, and you'll find them in between your tire tread pattern. If your rubber goes actually flat with that, that's bad. That means you need some tires. For me, clearly, I'm not ready for my tires. But what helps me maintain good tire wear is my suspension and my alignment is clearly equal. But like I said, I check my tire pressure at least once a month, and this is simple to do. If you don't have a tire gauge, don't panic. You can find them again at your local auto shop. You can order them online. They're pretty affordable. You could also use the free ones at the gas station, but cars are also very intuitive these days, and you can check your driver cluster or your driver infotainment system, and it will tell you what the current setting is. Now, before I check my pressure, I have to know what my tire pressure is for my car, and there's a variety of different ways that you can do this. Your owner's manual, inside your car on either the driver side or passenger side indoor panels on the inside of your panels, and I'll show you that in as an example on the side. Also, if you have an old school car, you can it will tell you your tire pressure inside the gas panel of your car as well too. But for me, I always follow the recommendations from my automotive manufacturer, and also pay attention to if it's a different number from your front to your rear tires. Okay, so I know that my tires need to be set at 36. Okay, you unscrew your rubber cap from your valve, put it in your pocket, highly recommend that so you don't lose it. And then you attach your tire pressure gauge to your valve stem. Okay, if you hear that hissing noise, you might want to realign, okay? Because the last thing you want to do is be letting air out if you don't have to let air out. And you can tell clearly that I'm below what is recommended from my automotive manufacturer. My summer tires have been sitting in the garage, so that is expected that they would be low. Now, I highly recommend if you don't have a generator at home, visit your local gas station, but you're going to want to visit the closest gas station to you, because the the more you drive on your tires, heat expands, okay? So your tires are going to expand. So when you go to check your tire pressure, it's going to give you a false reading. So again, check your tire pressure when they are cold. If you're driving to the gas station, like me, I clearly need some air. Do it within 5 kilometers of your house or the closest one to you. For my American friends watching, that's about 2 miles for you guys. Okay, so with that said, I am going to show you how to top up your fluids. If it takes you longer than 30 seconds to do this, you're doing it the wrong way. I literally just said it, but topping up your washer fluid is the easiest thing that you can do. I mean, manufacturers make it so easy for you that it actually says washer fluid only and provide an icon. If your car does not say washer fluid only, look for that icon, because the last thing you're going to want to do is put washer fluid where it says engine oil. That would not be good. Okay, another quick little tip. Top up your washer fluid when the engine is off and cold, okay? And make sure you're choosing and purchasing a washer fluid that, that works for your climate. I live in Canada, so hopefully it never gets colder than -35. But lift the cap, really easy, it's not a rush, take your time. Okay, when I top up my washer fluid, I keep it just below the top. Again, minimizing spillage. Close it, listen for the click. Okay, very easy. Guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman, and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss How To Tuesdays or a Feature Car Friday. Hey guys, here's another quick tire tip. Make it a habit of checking your tire sidewall. Because if you live in an area with a lot of potholes or you have a tendency to smash into curbs, this is also going to affect the longevity of your tire.